Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around you? From the chair you're sitting on to the air you breathe, it's all made of tiny building blocks called atoms. These little guys are so small you can't even see them with a microscope. But don't let their size fool you. They're the key to understanding how matter works. Join me as we shrink down to the size of an ant and explore the amazing world of atoms. Think of an atom like a miniature solar system. In the center is the nucleus, which is like our sun. The nucleus is made up of even tinier particles called protons and neutrons. Protons have a positive charge, like the plus sign on a battery. Neutrons, on the other hand, have no charge. They're neutral, like a referee in a game. Now, let's meet the smallest members of the atom family, electrons. These little guys are constantly zipping around the nucleus like planets orbiting the sun. Electrons have a negative charge, like the minus sign on a battery. Remember those protons with their positive charge? Well, opposites attract. The positive protons in the nucleus and the negative electrons whizzing around it are attracted to each other, which keeps the atom together. Imagine a grape at the center of a football field. That's how small the nucleus is compared to the whole atom. But don't let its size fool you. The nucleus is incredibly dense and contains almost all of the atom's mass. Remember those protons and neutrons we talked about? They're packed together tightly in the nucleus like marbles in a jar. Remember those electrons zooming around the nucleus? They're not just randomly flying about. They follow specific paths called electron clouds or orbitals. Think of it like lanes on a highway. Each electron has its own lane, and they can't switch lanes without special permission. These electron clouds have different shapes and energy levels, and they determine how the atom interacts with other atoms. It's like each atom has its own unique dance move based on how its electrons are arranged. Well, that's a peek into the amazing world of atoms. From the tiniest grain of sand to the largest star in the sky, it's all made of these incredible building blocks.